In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a sprint in Jira, which is an essential task for project management in this popular platform. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through every step to ensure you're comfortable navigating the system. First, let's start by navigating to your Scrum project in Jira. This is the hub of your project management activities where you can view all ongoing tasks and plans. If you're not already familiar with this, it's typically located on your Jira dashboard. Once you've accessed your Scrum project, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, head over to the backlog view. This area shows all your sprints and the issues within them. It's a space where you can gain a comprehensive overview of what tasks are scheduled, pending, or waiting to be addressed. The backlog view is invaluable because it helps you plan and prioritize effectively. Now, let's discuss the active sprints. Within the backlog view, you'll notice any currently active sprints. This is where work is ongoing and it's what your team is essentially focusing on at the moment. Having a clear view of your active sprints helps ensure that everyone knows what's happening and what needs special attention. Additionally, in the same backlog view, you can also see your completed sprints. If you're trying to review past work or find insights on previous endeavors, this is where you can find that information. But for a more detailed review of past sprints, you might want to explore the reports section. To access these reports, look at your project's top navigation panel. Here you'll find the reports selection. This feature is invaluable for a deeper dive into your project history and analysing the outcomes of your sprints. It's a helpful tool for reflecting on what worked well and what could improve in future sprints. Once you're in the report section, you have options such as the sprint report or the burn down chart. These choices will give you metrics and performance data about your sprints. The sprint report typically provides a detailed account of what was completed and what was left undone, while the burn down chart shows a visual representation of progress over time. Finally, for those of you needing to navigate through your past sprints, you can use the sprint selector located at the top of these report screens. This is a simple tool that helps you toggle between different sprints, allowing you to quickly access past data without hassle. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding a sprint in Jira. By following these steps, you'll not only be able to navigate Jira with ease, but also make the most of its robust project management capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy sprinting.